Hello, this is a HP laserjet printer and it has this dark patch on the printout. Anytime they print out, there is this dark patch on the right side of the page. So today I want to show you how to fix it. I'm working with HP M227 FDW printer. So this fix can work for basically all kinds of HP laserjet printer. So now what I'm going to check first is the drum, because that is where the problem will likely come from, because the drum prints directly to the paper. So let's check the drum. So this is the drum. This drum is bad. I'm going to replace it with another one. And so come with me, let's fix this together. Now this is the drum, and you can see this dark patch at that drum there. I'm going to be replacing it with this new drum. Look at that dark patch there. That is where the problem is coming from. So to fix this problem, I will need to take out this drum and then fix another drum there. So to remove this drum is pretty easy for this particular model of printer. You have to just remove this metal piece here. Once you remove this metal, it is easier for you to just remove the drum easily. Now get a flat screwdriver, just like I have now, and pull out this metal. You can see this metal. I have a flat screwdriver with me. I'm going to carefully pull out the metal. You can see the metal is out. Once I remove this metal, you notice that the drum just come off easily. Look at the metal here. This is what it looks like. Keep the metal piece safe, because you're still going to use it again. So I'm going to remove this drum and fix another drum there. Then return the metal back in place. So make sure you clean the charger roller a bit, in case there's any stain on the charger roller. Just clean it with a tissue paper or a piece of cloth. Now, in case you haven't done already, like and subscribe to the channel. I have good videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment, from scanners, printers, laptop, PVS, and all kinds of office equipment. Now, this is the drum that I'm going to be replacing it with. You have to be careful when replacing this drum. Do not touch the drum with your hand, otherwise it's going to leave a print of your hand on the drum and a permanent stain on the drum. So when you make a copy, you'll see that stain on the printer. Now I've replaced my metal back. So what I'm going to do is to return this back into the printer, and then I'll make a copy. Now this is the printer. I have returned the drum and the cartridge back inside the printer. I'm going to print out a document. So let's print out a document to see what the effect looks like. You can see it comes out neat and clean. There is no stain on it. So thank you. I'll see you some other time.